Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming location services are on. Make sure the app has permission to access your location. Open the Messaging or Maps app now and go straight to the chat with the person. Tap the Attach, Plus, or Location icon to begin. Once done, choose the option labeled Live Location, Share Live Location, or Share Real-Time Location. This gets the process moving immediately. You avoid delays and ensure the app can update coordinates continuously while you proceed. Now you configure how long and how precise your live location will be. Select the sharing duration, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, or a custom period depending on need. If the app offers high accuracy or battery-saving modes, pick the one that matches your priorities. Accuracy versus battery life. Add a short message so the receiver knows context. Make sure background location permission is allowed if you need continuous updates when the screen is off. Otherwise, sharing may stop. Press send or start sharing and check the map preview to confirm live updates are appearing. Ask the recipient to verify they can see your moving dot. If they cannot, confirm they have an updated app and network access. If sharing stops, toggle GPS off and on, force close and reopen the app, and recheck location permissions. These steps fix most issues. Finally, stop sharing when finished to protect privacy. You can manually end sharing or wait for the timer to expire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.